What's going on, home improvement bitches? It is 95 degrees out and it is and feels that damn hot. So here's a rough outline of where my staircase will lead so that I can attack all this bullshit on a yearly, if not quarterly basis. So with my my down fence, I had a couple options. Repurpose it like I've done here, or pay for it to be hauled off to the dump, which is in a truck, Old Man Grayson, that's not running. Guess I'm gonna repurpose it and figure out what to do. And now that I've actually worked out the engineering portion of that, I know what to do. And it's 93, 95 degree weather out there. It's dangerously hot. So I'm gonna go ahead, scale back, drink some agua, think about my progress, and just be happy with it. Deuces for now.